Hello friends, Eklavya Model Residential Schools Librarian examination previous year examination held on 24th December 2023. This video is the second part, reasoning ability, 10 questions. 3 statements have given below. Which are the following two conclusions 1 and 2? Assuming that the given statements are true, find out which of the following conclusion is definitely true. Statement 1, P greater than and equal Q, T equal to S, S less than or equal R less than Q. Conclusion 1, which is P greater than or equal to S. Conclusion 2, T less than Q. On 4 options, first option both conclusion 1 and 2 are true. Second one, neither conclusion 1 nor 2 is true. 3 is only conclusion 1 is true. Fourth one, conclusion 2 is true. Answer is fourth one, only conclusion 2 is true. Some questions they given that answer. Some calculations analysis is first one also true. Second question, two statements are labeled below as assertion and reason. Assertion, it is advised to wear white color clothes in summer. Reason, why color clothes absorb the maximum sunlight. Select the correct answer with the help of the code. A is true but R is false. Second option, A is false but R is true. Third one, both A and R are true but R is not correct explanation of A. Fourth one, both A and R are true but the R is not correct explanation of A. So here right answer is 1, A. A is true but R is false. False because white color cloth does not absorb the maximum sunlight. It is reflect the sunlight only. So 12th is first one right answer. 13th, how many such letters are there in the given sequence which are immediately preceded by a symbol but not immediately followed by a number? T, percentage, G, 5, L, at, hash, Q, P, ampersand, N, 5, P, T, percentage, K, at, percentage. One is followed by number, 2 numbers. Second one 3 is 0, fourth is 1. Value letters are Q and K, that is second such as letters, 2 letters. Correct answer is 1. 1 is correct answer. 14, 5 students Kunal, Bhumi, Vidula, Vikas and Geetika study in 5 different schools E, U, V, W and X, and they like 5 different colors: red, yellow, blue, pink and green. Bhumi is from the school X and she does not like pink or red colors. Students who like green color is from the school T. Kunal likes blue color. Mridula is neither from school T nor from the W. Vikas is not from the school V, like red colors. Who is from the school V and which color she likes? Vikas red, Geetika yellow, Kunal green, Mridula blue. Here answer is 1, Vikas red. 14 is first one right answer. 15th, Arshad start from his school, moved 100 meters towards east, then turned left and moved 200 meters and reached a shop. from the shop. He moved 200 meters towards west and returned to his left and moved 500 meters and finally turned his left and moved 100 meters to reach his home. What is the direction and the shortest distance of his home from the school? South 500 meters, south 300 meters, north 300 meters, east 250 meters. Here first one right answer, south 500 meters. 16th one, give below is a question followed by two statement number 1 and 2, each contains some information. Decide which of the following statements are sufficient to answer the question. Who is the tallest among 6 persons? G, N, P, S, T and Q who are different heights. Statement 1, only 2 persons are shorter than the Q and higher of only 2 persons lie between the highest of Q and S. Statement 2, P is shorter than the S but taller than the T. Here 4 options. Both statements 1 and 2 together are necessary to answer the question. Second option, both statements 1 and 2 together are not sufficient to answer the question. 3. Statement 1 alone is sufficient to answer the question while the statement 2 alone is not sufficient to answer the question. Fourth one, statement 2 alone is sufficient to answer the questions while statement 1 alone is not sufficient to answer the question. Here third one right answer, statement 1 alone is sufficient to answer the question while the statement 2 alone is not sufficient to answer the questions. Third one right answer. 16th. 17th. 3 statements are given below followed by 2 conclusions. Number 1 and 2. Assume that is the information given in this statement is true even if they seem to be at variance with the commonly known facts. Decide which of the following conclusions logically follow from the statements. All books are pencils. Some pencils are erasers. All pencils are pens. Conclusions. 1. All books are erasers. Some pens are books. So here both conclusions 1 or 2 follows. Neither conclusion 1 nor conclusion 2 follows. Only 3 conclusion 1 follows. Only conclusion 2 follows. Here fourth one right answer. Here fourth one right answer. 18th. A plus B means A is a wife of B. A minus B means A is a mother of B. A multiply B means A is a son of B. A divided B means A is a daughter of the B. Based on the above, if M multiply T minus G divided by H multiply S plus P, then how is the P related to M? Father's father, mother's father, brother, fourth one father. Here answer is father's father. 18th is first one right answer. 19th. Study the given diagram carefully and answer the questions. The number of different sections indicate the number of writers who write the different types of novels. Here fiction, horror, thriller, 3 is there. But what is the total number of writers who write the fiction, horror but not thriller novels? So here 10, 8, 11, 3, total 29. That is total first one right answer here. 20th question. 7 friends P, Q, R, S, T, U and V are sitting around a circle facing away from the center. T and U are not immediately neighbors of the R. S is sitting second to the left of V, third to the right of the R. P is sitting second to the right of T.